Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our technical guide on the Dell XPS 15. Today, we'll focus on identifying and dealing with irreparable motherboard damage. Let's dive in step by step. First, ensure you have the right tools. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, a soft brush for dusting, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Before starting, make sure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the bottom cover by unscrewing the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful, as some screws may be hidden under rubber feet. Once you've removed all screws, gently use the spudger to pry open the cover. Now that we have access to the internal components, take a moment to visually inspect the motherboard for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt areas or swollen capacitors. If you notice any of these signs, it often indicates irreparable damage. Next, it's crucial to clean the motherboard gently. Use the soft brush to remove dust and debris. For more stubborn grime, lightly moisten your brush with isopropyl alcohol. Be cautious not to use too much liquid, as it can cause further damage. If you're unsure about performing this cleaning yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess your laptop's condition and recommend the best course of action. Continuing with the inspection, check the connections on the motherboard. Ensure all cables are securely attached. If any components seem loose or disconnected, reseat them carefully. This can sometimes resolve issues that may appear to be motherboard damage. For those who aren't comfortable working on their device, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop to a repair shop. Plus, there are no calls or travel involved, just a simple process to get your laptop checked. If the motherboard appears to be damaged beyond repair, consider your options. You can either replace the motherboard or, if the cost is too high, think about upgrading to a new model. Before making any decisions, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you understand the costs involved. Let's summarize the steps we've covered. 1. Gather your tools: Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, spudger, brush, and isopropyl alcohol. 2. Remove the bottom cover and inspect the motherboard for damage. 3. Clean the motherboard gently and check all connections. 4. Decide on whether to repair or replace based on the diagnosis. Remember, if you feel overwhelmed at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our professionals are here to help and can guide you through the process. With our services, you can ensure your Dell XPS 15 gets the attention it needs without the hassle of traditional repairs. If you don't have the tools or confidence to proceed, we are just a message away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.